What's up, y'all? Today we're back with another video. We're gonna be showing y'all our fidget pop. Our can't. We're gonna be tasting them and spinning them.
When I saw these, I already knew.
I saw them at Walmart, and my mama bought them for me and my brother.
Yeah. Little Mike came running to me with them. I was like, yes. What other colors do they have?
And then
they only had red and blue, so Little Mike and Makai got red and blue, and I got the girl pink and green.
Yeah.
He's so silly. Yeah. Silly Billy. Let me see your spin. Let me see your best spin.
I tried to do it on my head. Hold on.
He got silly. It's not spinning anymore. I wonder, is it gonna still spin? It's good. Ooh, that was fast. It's pretty. I wonder if it's gonna spin as fast once we eat the candy out of it.
It's gonna spin even faster.
I got to take the label off too. I don't want to take the label off. Oh gosh, I didn't read it. Oh, well, it should spin the same.
It looks like the power moons are falling.
Oh, okay, so it should spin the same. I haven't had it.
Ew.
It's like a push-up pop. I haven't had a push-up pop.
Now try to spin it. Try to spin it.
It's good.
Try to spin it.
I got watermelon.
Try to spin.
What kind y'all got?
I got cherry. I got cherry.
Oh, that's what kind you got, cherry. Let me see if it's something on the other side. Ooh, green apple. Watermelon and green apple.
So I think I got cherry and blueberry. Wait, me too.
Y'all can taste.
We got blueberry.
You got cherry and what?
Blue raspberry. Blue ras.
And blue raspberry.
Yes.
Okay.
I know how to take it off.
Good. Okay.
Got some more teeth here.
Let me see. Let me spin it without the pieces on. Oh, gosh, no, they don't make it easy to take the pieces off. I tell you that.
Oh, see? Cherry.
Let's see the candy spin. Candy fidget spinners. Oh, these are cute.
Can you help me?
Look at that.
Can you help me?
Okay.
Wait, I want to see. Hey, look like glitter flying. Oh, blue raspberry. And well, it's like a police light.
Like a police light. And mine like the sorority. Alpha Kappa Alpha. AKA.
Police, AKA.
You're so silly.
Time to give it a taste.
It's so cute. Let's spin all ours at the same time. The candy spinners.
I can't get my thing off.
The candy spinners.
Let me see.
You can't. Let me see. Come on, let's give all ours a candy spin.
Candy spin. Oh yeah.
Okay. 3, 2. Who has the best spin? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh gosh.
I think I won.
Ooh, look. 1.
Yeah.
Me and Makai stopped at the same time. That's a better spin. My second spin always a better spin.
Hey. Now I just want to suck on it.
I don't want to bite mine. But I think it's going to still work the same way once the candy is gone. Because that's still a good enough weight.
So good, bro. You should try it.
Comment down below if you have tasted the Fidget Pops.
Fidget Pops. Fidget Pops. Fidget Pops. I'm ready. What? Am I any Fidget Pops? Get it for free now on orders.
Let's see which one I'm going to catch when it's spinning.
I go for green apple.
I caught red.
That's pink. Oh, I caught for green. I caught for this.
I caught the green apple that time. Guess this time. Wait a minute.
Pink. Neither.
3, 2.
Pink. Oh, green.
Hot green.
Let's see. Yeah.
You catch it. Do it one time.
Okay. Yeah, so
You gotta catch it with your teeth.
I think you're gonna catch blue.
Red.
Woo!
You caught blue.
My turn.
You got lint on yours, Sky.
My turn. Ready, set, go.
Red. Oh, he caught blue. Blue his favorite color.
Pink.
He cheating.
I think I'm gonna catch red. Oh, I caught blue. Comment down below which one you think I'm gonna catch.
Just want to have a little
Neither.
nighttime fun with the kids. I had to bite it. We're enjoying our summer. Hope y'all guys. I hope you guys are enjoying y'all summer. Make sure you comment down below suggestions of any videos that you would like to see.
I just see.
We out, baby.
Bye for